Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am LACH Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing. This unit is from ULAHAIR. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so again, this hair is from ULAHAIR. It came in this bag. Inside of the bag, we got the hair. Do we have some goodies? We do. I knew they had some goodies. Okay, we have a cute little headband. Oh, girl. Oh, okay, go like this. Do I got enough stretch? You know this head big. Then we got us, okay, a little bow for a half up, half down situation. I'm assuming we have the edge band. Probably won't need to utilize that with this unit, but however, we have a wig cap. Oh, these are cute. Some lashes. Back in the day when I used to wear my lashes this thick, girl, they would have been tea. And then we just have the cards for the hair. It just gives us hair care tips. So let's get into the unit. This is a 22-inch Burmese half wig, if I'm not mistaken. If not, y'all, I'll have the, for sure, you know, I'll have the link listed, but I'm almost positive it's Burmese. But I know it's 22 inches, and I know it's a half wig, because y'all know that's very popular right now. Girl, if I can get it undid. Okay, so this, ooh, the hair is soft. It doesn't say, but I'm almost for certain that the texture is Burmese. It's soft. It is very soft, y'all. Like, ooh, okay, girl. Okay, girl. Okay, so let me see. It has two combs right here on the side, one comb in the middle, and no combs at the bottom, but it does have adjustable straps, so you can utilize the adjustable straps as well as the drawstring right here to tighten it up, which I love a good little drawstring, because all the combs, girl, the combs be hurting your head. But yeah, it has just a slight smell, but besides that, girl, okay. The first style that I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put her on and then take out some of my edges. I was going to wet this unit, but I think I'm going to go ahead and wand curl her. And y'all, my hair is literally just in a ponytail, so nothing major. I feel like my lighting is bad. Okay, so it's in. Hold on, let me see. It's in, and I'm just going to pull out some of my edges. Girl, we cute already. Are we? Don't lie to me. We just going to pull out some edges in the front. Ooh, that's a good little tug, a good little tuggaroo. Pull out this side. My edges are thin, so we're probably gonna have to do like a flip over method, because girl, I don't have that many edges now. Okay, so there we go. The edges is pulled out. Again, y'all, I want to wand curl the unit, so I have my wand curler. I got this wand curler from Amazon, I believe. I'll have it linked. It's like a 3-in-1 type of wand curler, real basic, and I chose the small version of it, and then it came with this little thing. So we're about to wand curl this hair right on up. I'm not gonna be too particular with it because it just is what it is. But yeah, let's go. Y'all, I changed my shirt because it was hot. Like, this curling iron is making me hot. I was freezing. Ooh, I was freezing cold, but I'm almost done, girl. We gonna do the edges, curl up the edges, and I kind of just grab my edges with the hair just to blend it in just a little better. You see how it look like that's my hair? I mean, it is, but it isn't. And then we're gonna grab this little piece, and I'm gonna grab this piece, and I'm not putting anything on my hair nor the weave just because I want it to be, I don't know, I kind of just want it to be messy looking, if that makes sense. I don't want it to be too hard. If I feel like it's not gonna stay, I may or may not spray some holding spray afterwards. That's fine. Y'all see how that kind of just, it kind of just blend. We'll do the edges later, but thus far this is what it's giving. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side, and it literally took me all of maybe 10 minutes. I did start from the top and then started wand curling, which didn't even make sense. So this time I'm gonna start from the bottom and then wand curl. And like I said, I'm not trying to be perfect with it. Like, I just don't care. Like, I like the messy, it doesn't have to be uniformed curls for me. Like, I can just do whatever. Am I going to do it like this? Yeah, I could just do whatever. So yeah, but if you want to put products on it, you can, because the hair is, I mean, it's a little dry. You can put some products on it just to, if you want that silkiness, but I'm natural, so the drier it is, the more it's gonna mesh with my little leave out, because girl, I don't need no silky hair because my hair is not silky at all. But yeah, we're just gonna do this side, and then yeah. Oh y'all, and I hold the curl like this. I ball it up just a little bit so the curl can like get tighter. Yeah, and then it kind of just goes like that. If you don't, it kind of is just like a loose curl. Trust me, it's gonna be loose. Loose as a goose. Don't get me started. Anyway, y'all. Do y'all see, y'all, all of the hair is to the front. Do y'all see how fluffy? Do y'all see how fluffy this hair is? Okay, so let's clean up the front. I was gonna flat iron it, but y'all, I have been flat ironing this leave out for I don't know how long, but it would look cute though, because I wanted to give like, I kind of like it like this. We'll do. I have my edge control right here because I kind of just like it like this. My edge control, and we just gonna do like this in the front. And then my little edge brush, we're gonna go like this, oop, and kind of just blend her. Okay, sis, this is what it's giving. Is it not cute? It's giving SZA with the big hair. Again, I did not add any product to it. The curls just, it may drop. I probably can. I have my Got2b glue free spray. This is not the only hairstyle I'm gonna do, so I don't want to spray it just yet, but I would recommend spraying some holding spray after, if not before you even do the little wand curls. But again, I just wanted mine to be fluffy and just give a little messy but still cute at the same time. I think we achieved that. Let me turn around. Oh, let me turn around so you can see the back. Just a little hair in the back, just a little. I think this looks so good. And girl, it took me all of 15 minutes to do this hairstyle. Seriously, 5 minutes per, or did I say 10 minutes? No, it took me like 5 minutes to do each side because I wasn't like strategically trying to like curl them. So 5 minutes per side, 10 minutes. Yeah, it took you like a good 15 minutes to just do this hairstyle, and I'm ready to go. You can do a little flip over. Ooh, let me do it right here. We'll flip this over like so. Let me get the edge together. Is this cute? I would like trim it, but I kind of like the way that I had it the first time. But yeah, let me just go like this with my little edges. Go like this a little bit so we can be, and again, I'm not trying to be like too super like whatever, but I think it looks good. I think, hold on, let me see. Yeah, she's cute. She's cute to the side or whatever. We could do that. This is what it's giving. Okay. Now I want to try another hair. Oh, y'all, and I have a headband. Let me show y'all what it looks like with a headband. Give you some options, girl. And let's see. Yep. Ooh, yep, she's cute. She's cute with the headband. Is she cute with the headband? Hold on. Yeah, she's cute. I need to curl this one just a tad bit more. But besides that, yeah, you can't tell me nothing. She's cute with the headband. Now I want to try like a hairstyle that I've been seeing on TikTok. So we're gonna try to do like some little twisties or whatever. The headband is cute. Okay, we're gonna try to do some twisties. So let's take this off, and then I'm gonna go into the hairstyle. It's gonna be cute.
A few hours later.
Okay, sis, I decided to wear my hair like this. I was gonna try another hairstyle, but off camera I did it and it just was not giving. So we're gonna wear her like this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Got2b glue free spray just so we can like hold it together, the curls, just a tad bit. Not that much. just a tad, and I'm gonna just do like this just to fluff it up, just to make sure it doesn't lose the volume. I felt like that was a lot. Okay. Oh yeah, it's already drying. Okay, so this is how we're going to wear her. I'll have her linked in the description box below. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, sis. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.